Bench testing a 1959 Cadillac fog light control switch, serial number 01112023, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, switch control from parking to fog light position. Test number 2, wire harness differences between the fog and non-fog light option. Bench testing 1959 Cadillac fog light control switch. We have the normal off position for the fog lights. Rotating the switch, we went from front parking to fog lights. Rotating the switch back to the normal position, front parking lights are on, fog lights are off. Again, turning on the fogs, front parking off, fog lights are on. Two examples of 1959 Cadillac headlight switch harnesses, one without the fog option and one with the fog option, both showing connector at the switch burnt, which is typical. This demonstration we're going to show the difference. When we have a non-fog light option, General Motors uses a metal clip to jumper the parking light wires. Coming from the headlight switch is a black and white. They jumper it to the white, which goes to the parking lights. On the fog light option, we see that the jumper is missing, and they connect the fog light control switch. And what they're doing here is they're plugging this control switch into the harness, which controls the power coming from the switch to go either to the front parking lights or by rotating the switch to the front fog lights, which is the purple wire. And then with the fog light option, we have the open connector. Non-fog light option, we have the jumper. Now what's going on up in front in the bumper between the parking light and the fog light, that needs to be determined by the installer. But apparently from what we found looking at 59 Cadillac headlight switch harnesses, that they're using the purple wire common through either the non-fog or the fog light option harness. This is the wire you would need to find when converting from non-fog light to fog light option. The purple wire. This would be your fog light wire.